Hello everyone, I hope you're all well. Today we've got a new topic that I haven't done before. I'm sharing 5 Hermes items I think people don't talk about enough. A lot of people know Hermes for their bags, and as much as I love them as well, I also think they excel in quite a lot of other stuff. So without further ado, and let's get into it. So first we have jewelries. Hermes started way back from 1837, but it wasn't until like mid-1950s they started producing their own jewelry line. From one of the most popular symbols, this Shandong ring in rose gold is my latest luxury purchase. I love how clean and polished it looks, and the circular twist makes it just a tiny bit more fun for day to day. One fun fact is that the inspiration behind this design is actually a ship anchor. Next up we have the, please excuse my French, Collier de Chien. I got this one in Paris earlier this year, pre-COVID, and what drew me to this is because it's like 2 rings in one basically. The last piece of ring is something very close to my heart. It's my very first jewelry from Hermes. To me it's a true Hermes style, even though this is not the most popular design, mainly because it's extremely minimal but very elegant, which is what I really love about Hermes as a brand. Okay, now let's move on to homeware. I'm sure you've all seen the cushion and blankets on Instagram, but personally, what I truly love from their homeware is the tableware. And among all the different lines, A Walk in the Garden is my favorite. It's a very refreshing approach, which we don't always see from Hermes. It's one of their newer collections, I think. It brings a beautiful vibrant color to my minimal home style. I also love how they mix the geometric lines with leaves and flowers. To me, it's like a modern approach to the 70s tableware that we sometimes see on magazines. Okay, so wallets, it's not something that's really underrated, especially if you do shop from Hermes. But I just wanted to include these because they sort of fit in the non-handbag category. Among all their wallets, personally I like these silk wallets. Like on the outside, it's very minimal, but when you open it up, you get like a nice surprise. I use the small one for day to day, and when I'm traveling, I need to pack different currencies, I go for the big one. I also have this style called Kaale. First, the contrast is just really my thing. Second, the design, in my opinion, is really tailored for travelers. I use this for planes and stuff. It opens up nicely without a zip, so it's very convenient, but the little pockets are sleek and tight enough so nothing really falls out, so it's still super safe. Next, I've got ready-to-wear pieces. Other than their bags, another thing Hermes is really known for are their silk designs. Personally, what I really love is their silk blouses. I love styling this top with jeans because it looks like you've put a tiny bit more effort in your day-to-day outfit, even though it's a really easy formula. Last but not least, I want to share the perfume. I know the Twilly scent has been getting a lot of attention and PR for the past few years, but personally my favorite is, bear with my poor French, on Jardin. It's a great feminine one, but not in a too floral way. The second perfume is one of their latest scents, and I admit I bought this for the design. I mean, just look at this bottle, how cute it is. It's a woody and oriental scent because of the black tea. I sometimes spray this in my home office, that's how much I enjoy it. And that's it for today, guys. I know this is like a 3 minutes video, but I did take a lot of time preparing and filming, so I really hope you've enjoyed this. This is something I've been itching to do for a while, but truth be told, I'm actually a little nervous right now. I've always wanted to dig a little deeper with the luxury brands. Okay, I'll stop rambling. Anyways, thank you so much for watching, and if you like this, don't forget to like and subscribe, hit that notification bell, and I'll see you guys next week. Bye!